All right, B, I believe. Where are my B people? Okay. This is imagery. Yeah. So we have a contrast in moods. Mood is developed through imagery. So here's the function. Imagery develops mood. So if you look at the specific language that Golding is using, you will determine the mood. All right? Good. What's the shift? We have chapter 1. We've already got the meeting place. Is a place of comfort, safety, Castle Rock. Stasia, give me the mood that we get from Castle Rock. Okay, I'll throw that out there to anybody. Yes, Marissa. Okay. The promise of what? Yes, but this is just the physical environment of it. Can somebody describe the physical environment of it? Yes.
It was like broken boulders, and it was full of
Yes.
and shells that got made.
Sulfur, guano, yes, guano, which is bat poo. Rocks, boulders, broken, ledgy. I like that. It's a new adjective. It's on my list now of favorite adjectives. This is ledgy. That means you have lots of ledges and open chasms. And he describes the chasms and how treacherous they are. This is dangerous. This is filthy. This is unsafe. Okay, now you see the conclusion, right? Golding's not that difficult to understand. He creates this environment to indicate or to emphasize Ralph's character. And then he creates this environment to indicate or emphasize Jack's character. Jack is treacherous. Jack is unsafe. Jack is also, isn't he described as filthy at the beginning of chapter 3? They're all filthy, but he takes a special attention to Jack's filthiness at the beginning of chapter 3. Jack would enjoy being filthy because he's animalistic. He wouldn't have a problem with it. In fact, he does more than that. He paints himself up, so he's further rubbing all sorts of berry juices and everything else that he can use to make paint on his body. Something that's very subtle that a lot of students overlook, the Castle Rock is arranged in a series of ledges and almost staircases going up, right? What's the meeting place like? Flat. Anybody know what that fancy word hierarchical means? It's an adjective form of hierarchy. Sam?
Like there's higher forms, like higher people above them.
Perfect, Sam. Absolutely. Somebody is higher than another person. There are ranks. Somebody is above another, has more power. However, Ralph favors a system of organization at which all people are equal. The flat platform versus the raised ledges of Castle Rock. Golding's not subtle. Everything here is very obvious. So when you're writing about this, your claim would do something like Golding contrasts the moods of the meeting place Castle Rock to contrast Ralph and Jack's characters. Yes?
Does Golding actually like think about all of this and write?
Yes. This sort of novel, not all novels, this sort of novel is carefully crafted and all the details are written in that way. Okay? Yes? Yes. This sort of allegory which is steeped in symbolism, but there are many novels that you'll read that do not do this. Because students have asked me in the past, Mr. Clarkson, do all novelists think in these ways? Do all novelists do this? No, because not all novelists are doing this thing, this allegory thing, or heavy symbolism. Orwell did it. Orwell's very much doing it. I would say that Sue Monk Kidd is not doing it. Sue Monk Kidd is doing something else. Is she carefully choosing every word? Yes. Is she carefully choosing them in this way? No. This is heavy symbolism and allegory. It's a different kind of thing. Hey, we did C, I mean, not C, but